So what's up guys? So today we're going to be introducing our new build today. And no, it's not a Toyota 4-cylinder truck, but the motor is in this part right here.
This right here is actually a stock KA24DE coming out of your normal US 240SX. We're going to be throwing this back into my S13. This is actually the 5th KA that I've done in that car. So ultimately we're planning on, like we said, doing an off-road build with this car. So now we're looking at going ahead, getting this engine in as fast as possible and running as fast as possible. That way we can get the off-road build started.
And now, John, do you think one chain will get this thing up? Or
now I think we need 2 chains.
2 chains.
Broken alone, I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care. You're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there.
Hey John, so what's this special option on this 240 that we have?
So this special option right here is actually the automatic hood lift. This definitely helps out whenever you're trying to take the hood off or putting an engine in and out. Makes it real easy to see if the engine in there.
Who the hell needs a hood lift?
It only came on very limited edition 240s, so this one definitely, it doesn't have drift tacks, but it has hood lift tacks.
The Flintstone powered right now.
That's right. Alright, Sean. You ready?
Let's do it, man.
Yep. He's doing wheelies in no time.
This is going to be an off-road build. Do we need AC?
No.
No, we need more power. Little update on the engine cleanup. We took the AC compressor off. Joy's over here cleaning up the oil pan.
Copyright.
Oh,
Copyright.
Copyright. Crazy kids, if you want to know how to take an oil filter off and you don't have the little tool, well here I will show you how. You take a screwdriver and a hammer. Oh shit. Don't hit your own hand though. And would you look at that? Well, hold on. Maybe a little bit more. I think Taylor's calling because I hear my music has stopped. Bam. Look at all that. Ooh, look how bad that oil looks. Well, if I can't get it around to, there we go. Look at that. Some dark stuff.
Oh, I'm not surprised.
Ooh, shit. And that's how you remove your oil filter without a tool. Venom racing style. Alright, go.
Oh.
That's one of my leg.
Yeah,
let me actually get an idea.
Can you put it in?
I'm putting it in.
I don't feel it. Is it in?
She's in.
Alright. Don't run over Sean. Go slow.
Can't get over the hump.
We got a rocket. Give us a second. Okay.
Okay. I think are y'all in? But
mine in.
Yeah, I mean we're past the hump for the wheel, but the trunk's not in.
okay, let's try to go in a little bit farther. Alright, I think we can make micro adjustments from here now.
Alright. Where do I go?
I made a funny story.
Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
End of day 1, the guys have finished installing the motor in the 240SX off-road build. Check back for day 2 where they try to get the motor running.